Okay, so here's my Uplander again, new project. I was driving it today and had a failure. One of the plastic fittings, one of the cheap ass GM high quality, maybe made in China, I don't know, plastic fitting broke. Alright, so it was a fitting that went right there. That, as you can see, I'm replacing it with brass. This is the great experiment. Instead of paying $8 or $9 for a plastic one of these, I spent $4 on a T-fitting right there, and spent $1.15 times 8 for 8 different clamps, and I spent $3 on a 90-degree brass fitting. So I'm replacing that plastic piece of crap, or actually 2 different plastic pieces of crap, with brass. These are Apex type fittings that Home Depot sells. I guess it's for food service and food industry, whatever. But what the heck, we're going to try it in automotive. If this works without leaking, then it's probably a little bit more expensive, because now, no, it's going to be a lot less expensive, because if I was going to do this with GM parts, I would have to buy a $30, $40, $50 hose with the little plastic thing on it, like this piece here. That hose right there, where is he? There it is. I'm zoomed in. So that hose there, I bet you would be $50 if I bought it from GM. Probably between $30 and $45 if I bought it at like AutoZone or something. So I'm replacing this with generic hose that I bought at AutoZone. This was 6 foot of 3/4 inch hose for $6, and it's Continental brand. It's not Gates. I would have preferred Gates, but Continental is not bad. So as you can see what's going on here, I'm fixing to finish this job with the last piece of hose that I just cut, which I've laid down, and I don't know what, oh, here it is. So this piece of hose here I just cut, and I've got the clamps on it, so I'm going to be putting that piece of hose bridging those two brass fittings that I've installed. So eliminating a known problem. Every car like this, every GM car since I guess 1990s, use these plastic pieces of crap fittings for their hot water passages, and they fail. And the fact that this one lasted, this was a 2005, it lasted 15 years, makes you think maybe it's not such a bad thing. Will these brass ones last that long? I don't know. I know the car won't. So it doesn't really matter, but at least I can reuse these fittings in another car when this one dies if I want. That's it. I'll have another video when I'm done.